90,000 original miles.
90,000.
1979 Thunderbird.
You know something nowadays? You
This
can
is
fix
really
this
cool.
thing. The other ones you
This is
can't.
really cool.
You gotta go to the dealer. And I look in there and scratch your head and say, what the hell?
A lot of these new vehicles, you have to go to the dealer now.
Huh? Yeah. This one, man, is so cool. You can
Yeah.
open the door, look inside. It is
Awesome.
nice inside.
This is yours?
This is my best friend's.
Oh.
This is really nice.
Oh, he locked this side. This is really fantastic. Also, too, it rides fantastic. You come to the car show, and it's an antique car because it's a 79.
This is nice.
My first car was a 76 Ford Granada.
Was it? Oh, I remember the Granadas. Yeah. Yeah. This is really nice car. Everything works in it. All the hoses, everything.
90,000.
Everything's been done.
What does he want for it?
85.
8,500.
That's not bad at all.
8,500?
Okay.
8,500, that's it.
Do you think it's a good price? Yeah.
It's a hell of a deal.
This thing is a beauty.
Love those back windows.
I like the wheels too.
I'm serious.
Yo, your friend should be giving you commission.
Why?
Because you're a good salesman. You are. Alright, I'll be back with a check.
Yeah, right.
I'm kidding.
Cash.
That's it. Cash is king.
Yes.
This is really nice.
It really
Yeah.
is. I'm going to tell you. I don't boost about things and I don't promote things unless I believe in them and that I know they're good. Because I don't, as a woman, like being ripped off.
Me neither.
No, I don't like that.
Nobody likes being ripped off. Trust me.
Yeah.
This is
I
cool.
do not like being ripped off.
This interior. It's like new, almost. Yeah.
It
Yeah.
is fantastic. It
This
is
is
really
beautiful.
nice. The only reason I can't use it is because I'm so short and I'm a woman. And I
Look
got
at that
a
nice
Jeep.
speedometer.
Huh?
Nice speedometer.
Isn't it?
And it's got the old stereo.
Yeah, you can put a new stereo in it. Are you looking for a car?
Pretty much, yeah.
This one you don't have any headaches or problems with. It is so dependable.
It's awesome.
I like the shirt Margaritaville. I stayed
Key
at
West.
Pigeon Forge in Margaritaville, the
Really?
island. Oh God, yes, I was there every night. I stayed there up there a week.
You stayed a week? Wow, it's beautiful.
Yes, Pigeon Forge. Oh yeah, dancing waters, all that stuff.
Really nice. I love the Landau top on this.
Isn't it? It is so cool.
They don't
And
make
look
them
how
like this anymore.
No, and look how shiny it is. See how shiny it is?
You put wax on it?
No, he just washed it. That was it. He just washed it. That's all he did.
Is this the original paint?
Huh? Yes.
Nice.
Isn't it? His dad kept it in the. Dad kept it in the garage.
Woohoo!
Yeah, his dad kept it in
Beautiful.
the garage. It is.
Yeah. 1979 T-Bird.
Yep. I call it my thunder chicken.
That is
He said
beautiful.
it's not a thunder chicken. And now he's starting to say that's her thunder chicken.
Wow, it's awesome.
Isn't it? The wheels, the hubs, everything.
All original.
Brand new tires. Hey, how
Awesome.
are you?
Love this car. I like the emblem too.
Isn't it cool?
That's what makes the car.
Yes. Man, I tell you, ride around in this, man, it
So-
really,
Big Rob signing off.
it reeks of class.